Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to create something magical and festive, a beautiful Christmas bottle craft. Yes, you heard it right. Just by using a simple empty bottles, a few craft supplies and little bit of creativity we can turn into a sparkling decoration for upcoming Christmas event. So grab your bottles and let's get started. I promise this will not only be fun but also very budget friendly. Preparing the bottles, first take any glass or plastic bottle, wash it nicely and remove all the labels so that the surface is clean and clear. This step is important because a neat base makes the final decoration look much more professional. If you want, you can also paint the bottle with white or red spray paint to give it smooth festive look. Second is wrapping and base decoration. Now let's give our bottle a Christmas makeover. One of the easiest way to wrap it with jute rope and red and green ribbon. You can also use shiny glitter paper and wrap it tightly around the bottle and secure it with glue. Just imagine this simple wrapping already transformed the bottle into something stylish and beautiful. And don't worry, it's not perfect. The charm of handmade craft is their uniqueness. Second, once the bottle is wrapped, it's time to decorate with Christmas theme item, traditional white red. You can use it teeny pine cone, artificial leaves, small bells, golden beads, or even cotton to look like snow. Stick them nearly around the bottleneck or base. If you have fairy lights, insert them inside the bottle and watch how the whole decoration light up beautifully. Trust me, it creates such a cozy and warm vibe. The best part of bottles craft is that you can make so many variation. For example, you can create a Santa bottle by painting the bottle red, adding a black belt and golden buckle, or you can make a snowman bottle by painting in white, drawing little eyes, nose and wrapping a scarf around it. You can also create a Christmas tree bottle by using green paint and sticking star stickers on it. Every design tells a story and every bottle brings joy. Now you might be thinking what to do with these bottles. Well, they are perfect as a table centerpiece during Christmas dinner parties with your friends and family. You can place them on shelves near the Christmas tree or even gift them to your friends and family. Imagine giving a handmade Christmas bottle to someone. They will feel so special because it's filled with your love and creativity, and honestly handmade gifts are always priceless. A small tips: use hot glue for sticking decoration because it holds much stronger, and if you are using glitter, always seal it with clear glue or spray so that it does not fall everywhere. You can also write little message like Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays or Xmas the bottle using golden markers. The small details make a big difference. At the end, add a ribbon bow on the top and your Christmas bottle craft is complete. So dear friends, That's how you can turn a simple bottles into a magical Christmas decoration. Is not it amazing how little creativity and can bring so much joy? Try this craft at home with your kids, friends or family. It's a beautiful way to spend time together and create a memory unforgettable.